unboxing a Stitch labubu, also known as the Stitch blind boxes. I was really excited to unbox these because I saw these from another video I saw, and then I just fell in love with them. So let's see the ones that I want. I love doing ASMR unboxes, especially blind boxes. And I think this is like my first ever blind box in my whole entire life. And yeah, so I want this one really bad. I want this one, this one, this one, this one, and the secret, and maybe this one, I don't know. But I really kind of don't want the green one with the pizza. For some reason, I don't know why I don't want that one. But it's okay if I still get it because I've never unboxed these in my life. So let's unbox it. Okay, so let's unbox it. I'm so happy that I got one of these. So wait, this is the satisfying part. That's the satisfying part. That's the part I love. Okay, let's unbox it. Oh my god. Look at the blind bag. Whoa, I never knew that it was going to be this big. This is huge. In person, this is really big and huge. Okay, let's rip the paper. How do you rip it? Okay, like this. Okay, I'm going to close my eyes, and then you guys are going to see first. I'm so excited. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Why is it upside down? I can feel the feet. Wow, these are really big. Okay, let me hold it by the keychain. 3, 2, 1. I got the blue one! Oh my goodness! It's so cute! Oh, I love it so much.
Are you sure that's the one you wanted?
This is not the one I really wanted. The one that I really wanted was this one, but I got Sleepy Donut. The one I wanted was Sour Pineapple, but the one I got was Sleepy Donut. But this is so cute. I love it so much. I love it.
Hold it close to you. You take a thumbnail. Hold it close to you. Like this.
It's so soft and big. I never knew that the Stitch blind boxes or Stitch labubus, whatever you guys call it, are gonna be this like really big.
Can you see the face?
It's so cute. Look at it.
Wow.
I know.
Oh my goodness.
My little baby.
What is he holding?
A donut. A
Oh.
strawberry donut. Oh my goodness. Ooh.
Meow meow meow. That's cute. Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm really happy I got one of this. I love doing this on the bags. For some reason, like if I get like something like a chip bag, I will always do something like that. And I'm so happy I got this. Oh wait, I never knew there was a card inside. There's a card?
Oh.
Sorry. I got Sleepy Donut.
Oh.
It's called the Eat Something Before Sleep blind boxes. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. It's called Sleepy Donut.
Wow. That's cute.
I never knew that these will be like really big.
Is that a keychain or something?
Yeah, it's a keychain. It's super soft, by the way. You can put it on your bed. How are you supposed to? Oh, you put it. I didn't know how to put it on your bed.
Feet? Doesn't have feet?
Yeah, it's feet. It's
Yeah,
little
they-
feet. Here.
Oh, nice. How many? 2 or 4?
They have 4 toes and 2 feet. Oh my god, this is so cute. I love this. Oh, I didn't get the one I really wanted, but at least I didn't get the one that I wouldn't like want. I didn't want the green one with the pizza, but I still got something really cute. I love it. Oh my god.
I'm so happy you love it.
I'm so grateful.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're
I
welcome.
love it. So cute.
Are you gonna take it to school? I hope not.
I'm not gonna take it to school, but because I know a lot of people are gonna want to touch it and feel it, and this is only mine.
For sure.
I never knew these will be really big.
Me too.
If you guys saw this on the box, I thought it would be like a little keychain, but in reality, it's like so big. Oh my god, but it's so cute! I love this. This is one of my new favorite toys ever. I love this.
Wow. So can you tell your subscribers not to forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, because when you guys like and subscribe, it makes more people want to like and subscribe. But guys, I know I've said this many of times, but if you were here right now, you could just think that the things would be at least a little bigger than this, but not too big. But if you were in person, these are like really big. Like, actually.
You can fit in your palm, right? Oh yeah, it's big for sure.
Yeah. I love it.
Nice.
I got Sleepy Donut. What should I name it other than Sleepy Donut?
What's the name of your other toys?
Teddy and Winter and
Snow. Where did Snow go?
huh? Snowy is over there in my room. The white one. It's so cute when it's like sleeping. This is one of the ones I wanted. This is like one of the third ones I wanted. I did not get the secret, but I kind of really didn't want to get the secret because I wanted this one specifically. I can't pronounce it well, but I really wanted this one. Like, this is like the one I wanted.
Nice.
I got this one though. I got Sleepy Donut. I love it.
Let me take a nice.
Let me get the card. Let me get the card.
Wow, beautiful. Say cheese. Cheese. Say bye, guys.